Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to BSG News. I am your host Monica Chauhan, and let's look at the top stories for tonight. National Executive Meeting held at National Headquarters on 27th of July 2024. SirSmart 2.0 workshop and OYMS training conduct at various places. New State Council of Chhattisgarh takes a oat plantation drive conduct at Jammu Kashmir and Madhya Pradesh state. Kerala and East Central Railway conduct a training course for adult leaders. Uttarakhand Scout hold a state level yoga and health workshop. Southern Railway host a Chaturth Charan and Hirak Punk testing camp. Anti-drug campaign and first at training camp conduct at Himachal Pradesh and Tamil Nadu. Now let's move to the brief news. NHQ, the National Executive Meeting of Bharat Scout and Guides was conducted at the National Headquarters, New Delhi on 27th of July 2024 under the chairmanship of Dr. K.K. Khandelwal, AIS retired Chief National Commissioner. Executive member attended the meeting physically as well as virtually. Various fruitful discussion took place as per in the meeting agenda. SirSmart, under the instructions of District Education Officer and Commissioner of Ratlam District Association, Madhya Pradesh, conduct a Digital Generation SirSmart 2.0 workshop at the Safir High Secondary School, Barber Road, Ratlam from 22 to 24 of July 2024. For Scout Guide and Unit Leaders, State Trainers, Mr. Ramesh Bharia, Leader Training and Scout Master Shri Shlok Naidu organized the program. The training covered how to stay safe in a today's digital area and how to serve safely and provide a pledge for secure internet browsing. SirSmart, a SirSmart 2.0 workshop was also organized on 20th of July 2024 at Swami Atmanand English Medium School, Pump House, Chhattisgarh State. Under the leadership of DOC Guide, Uttar Manikarnpur and other trainers, the workshop provided important information on the safe and positive use of internet, protect online fraud, identification of fake news and creating a secure password. NYC Gadpuri, member of National Youth Complex Gadpuri, did a plantation drive on 23rd of July 2024. CLAP project. On the call of Honorable Prime Minister of India and the instructions of Shri Mohan Lal Yadav, Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh, Scout Guide, Rover and Ranger of the Chhindwara District Association of Madhya Pradesh, including a student and other volunteer, planted a 11,000 sapling on July 21st, 2024 in celebration of Guru Purnima. The plantation event was attended by Youth Member of Parliament Shri Vivek Sahu, Mayor Shri Sheshrav Yadav, District Collector Shri Vikram and District Education Officer cum District Commissioner Shri Gopal Baghe. On Guru Purnima 21st of July 2024, the Scout Guide of the Bhopal District Association prepared more than 500 seeds, balls of mango and other fruit plant. The program was organized under the leadership of Shri Rajesh Mewade, ASOCS and other members. Arunachal Pradesh, the Arunachal Pradesh State Bharat Scout and Guides conduct a district level unit leader meet 2024 and workshop on OYMS online registration at Government Secondary School, Namsai, Arunachal Pradesh on 22nd of July 2024. Mrs. Koing Sambunamban, Deputy Director of School Education, Namsai District, and Shri Bombi Dhoni, Headmaster of Government Secondary School, Namsai, were guests on the occasion of meeting cum workshop on OYMS, the conduct under the leadership of Ms. Sushila Guru. Chhattisgarh, the member of New State Council in Chhattisgarh State Bharat Scout and Guides take their oath on 18th of July 2024 at Maulshi in Raipur. Member of Parliament and the President Shri Brij Mohan Agarwal along with other officer barrier participated in oath taking ceremony. The President emphasized the importance of plantation 1 lakh sapling under the Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam campaign on State Chief Commissioner reported over the 15,000 sapling have already been planted. The Bhoram De Padyatra 2024 was organized in Kabirdham district on July 22, 2024. During this event, Deputy Chief Commissioner Shri Vijay Sharma along with officers, employee and common citizen, student and scout and guides travel 16 km and provide the various service during the yatra. East Central Railway basic course for Cub Master and Scout Master was conducted by the East Central Railway at the Garhara District Association premises of 21st to 27th of July 2024. State Training Commissioner S. Shri Lakshmi Kumar Singh inaugurated the training and 33 participants from various district associations took a part of in this course. East Coast Railway, the Bhagat Singh Group of East Coast Railway State Bharat Scout and Guides conduct a scout group camp at the Araku from 12th to 14th of July 2024. There were 27 participants in the camp. During this camp, participants learned how to start it under the open sky at night and mapping. The Puri Group, an open group of East Coast Railway, provide a various service to devotees during the Rath Yatra and Bahuda Yatra on Puri on 7th, 8th, 15th and 17th of July. Participants served a role such as the food distribution, water distribution, book counter assistant, ticket checking and the stuffing of the first aid book. The total 50 Rover Ranger and Unit Leader volunteered and participated. Jammu and Kashmir, a unit of Brahma Rishi Bhavra Shanti Vidyapit Senior Secondary School, Udhampur, Jammu Kashmir, organized a plantation drive on 20th of July 2024 under the guidance of chairperson and the principal of the school. A large number of trees were planted by the Scout and Guide along with the chairman and the school principal, and other staff. The plantation were organized the collaboration of Jammu and Kashmir Forest Department in the Kalthi Forest Area, Udhampur district. Himachal Pradesh, on 24th of July 2024, 145 people of Bhanak Panchayat were made aware of the anti-drug campaign. Member of Tuni Devi unit honored the Acharya Shri Pravesh Sharma, Shri Vishal Shukla, Acharya Shri Hemant Sharma, Ravi Kumar and Vinod Yadav for the contribute to the anti-drug campaign and the motivate people. Kerala. The Kerala State Bharat Scout and Guides conduct a 2 advanced course for the Guide Captain and the State Training Center, Palodi, from 10th to 16th of July 2024. In the 56 unit leader participated in the event conduct as per a scheme of training. Madhya Pradesh. Under the instructions of State Headquarters, Morona District Association, the Chambal region organized a tree plantation drive at the Scout Training Center, Chindi, under the leadership of Sukhdev Singh Chauhan, ASOC Scout. The program themed Ek Ped Maa Ke Naam. Member planted a 60 saplings, varied fruit tree including mango, guava and lemon. Uttarakhand. The Uttarakhand State Bharat Scout and Guides organized a state-level Yoga Utsav workshop on health and hygiene for Scout, Guide, Rover and Ranger at the Camping Center, Bhopalpani, Dehradun from 18th to 22nd of July. Total 11 Rover Ranger unit leader participated in the Utsav. Southern Railway. The Southern Railway State Bharat Scout and Guides conducted a Chaturth Charan Hirak Pang testing camp at Hosote Training and Camping Center from 19 to 21st July 2024. Total 81 Curve, 49 Bulbul, 20 Scouted and Guided participated. The state headquarters conducted a membership growth meeting on Palakkad district on 17th of July 2024 at the DRM meeting hall, PGT. The meeting was chaired by the Shri Anil Kumar, DCC and ADRM PGT. In the presence of Shri SV Raja, ASCS and the CME, SVPRE and the Shri Ganesh Murthy, DC and APO, PGT along with the state, district and officials. Tamil Nadu. The Seram District Association of Tamil Nadu State Bharat Scout and Guides conduct a first state training camp on the 18th to 20th of July 2024 with 74 Scout, 41 Guides and 28 unit leader. The training was conducted by the Dr. Seram Siddha Medical College and organized by the Mr. Deepak Kumar, DOC Scout and Ms. Chitra, DOC Guide. On 20th of July 2024, the Kumbhakonam District conduct a Chaturth Charan Hirakpang testing with 67 Coop and 71 Bulbuls. Maharshi District conduct a Chaturth Charan Hirakpang testing camp on Zone 5 on 19th of July 2024 at MVM Kumbhakonam with 48 Curve, 22 Bulbul, 5 unit leader and 3 staff members. Under the Environmental Sustainability Project, Rover Ranger from MVS Arts and Science College and Ganesh College of Arts and Science along with their unit leader participated in the cleaning drive at DTC Shankar Park on 23rd of July 2024. Now let's move to the new issue, its circular. Circular number 99, Golden Arrow Award for the 2024. Circular number 114, releasing of activity pack or adolescent health and health harmony. Circular number 116, Monsoon Miracle, seed balls on combat climate change. Circular number 118, Activity Pack for the International Day of Peace celebration on 21st September 2024. Circular number 119, National Training of Trainers and Youth Lead Action Climate Change. Circular number 121. Corrigendum for the Circular number 119, 2024, National Training for Trainers for YLACC. Circular number 122. Basic Course for the Venture Leader. Circular number 123. Celebration for Independence Day 2024. Circular number 124. Celebration of International Youth Day 2024. Circular number 125. Gentle reminder, submission of annual census membership data for the year 2023-24. Circular number 126. Participation in the National Student Paryavarn Competition. Circular number 127. National Level Community Singing Course for Adult Leaders. Circular number 128. Invitation for participation in the International Rover Week Winter 2025 at Kinder Stage. Circular number 129. National Level Himalayan Trekking Camp Environmental Awareness Program for Rovers and Rangers and Young Unit Leader at Hemkut Sahib and Valley of Flower, Uttarakhand. Circular number 130. National Membership Youth Summit. Circular number 131. National Level Workshop on Climate Change for Rover Ranger and Unit Leader under the Project Lab.